Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Doja Cat's cat look on Dress to Impress. So I know her dress isn't exactly the same, especially the feathers, but it's the only way that it works with the turtleneck. So I'll give you two options that you can work with if you don't want this. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. I know the back looks kind of whack, that rhymes, but select this headscarf in white and glitter, position the Y at 0.44, rotate it the same and scale it to 0.46. Grab this in all white in the glitter material, position the Y at 0.47, the Z at 0.47, and scale it to 0.29. Then I grabbed this hat from that area as well in the same glitter and white, position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.44, rotate the X to 0.80 and scale to 0.34. It's this one, by the way. Grab this from VIP, color it FFBC95. I should do it for both actually. And then the last one in white and glitter. Position the Y at 0.49, Z 0.48, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.35. For the outfit, I did use this in white in glitter. Then I also used this in white, this bracelet. Then I used this skirt. I wish there was a way to like remove this part, but there isn't, so we can just, I don't know, let's just color it white and deal with that. Color it white, and then that is pretty much it. She does have some tattoos which you can add if you'd like to, with like a sleeve or something. Where is it? Oh, this one. Or like just the like smaller sleeves. Like this one here. Where is it? But it's totally up to you if you want to add them or not. I'm not going to add them. And there is another way to create this dress. If you don't want it to look like this, you can just remove everything and just add on the feather dress if you'd like to in the supports pattern and no sleeves one and no scales in white in glitter. I just cannot like have that turtleneck on because it will kind of like protrude a little bit, but so it's up to you. But I do like the first one a little bit better because of the shape of the turtleneck that connects it with that. So I'm gonna just do that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!